Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve this amazing algebra problem that many people fail to solve or get confused. But I have a easiest trick for you guys. So here, x times x minus x times x equal x, and we have to find it, the value of x. So let's start. So first, this x times x, I can write it as x cubed minus, similarly this as x square equal x. Now from left hand side, if I'll take x as common, so x square minus x equal 1 times x we can write. Now if I'll divide both sides by x, so this will cancel out. So it becomes x square minus x equal 1. Take this 1 to this side, so x square minus x minus 1 equals 0. Now it's look like a quadratic equation. So we are going to use quadratic formula, that is x equal minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a, where a is, on comparing both, 1, b is minus 2 and c is minus 1. So x equal minus minus 2 plus minus under root minus 2 square minus 4 times 1 times minus 1 over 2 times 1. So x equal 2 plus minus under root 4 minus minus plus 4 over 2. So x equal 2 plus minus root 8 over 2. So x equal 2 plus, we can write 2 root 2 this 8 over 2. Now if I'll take x as equal to as common, so 1 plus root 2 over 2. So we can cancel out this. So x equal 1 plus 2. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.